Time doesn't move the same for everyone. Inside your skull, it stretches, collapses, and lies. Your thoughts quietly rewrite the clock. Your brain is not a stopwatch. It's a prediction engine. Neurons don't measure time. They construct it from change. When danger hits, your mind floods itself with detail, and seconds explode into slow motion. When you're bored, the brain compresses reality, and minutes rot into hours. Memory edits time after the fact, stitching moments together or tearing them apart. Inside your head, time is elastic, bent by attention, emotion, and expectation, like gravity warping space around a star. So time isn't just something you move through. It's something your mind creates and bends every moment you think.